Hello, my name is Karen Glenn. I represent the Perry County Master Gardeners. Today, the Perry County Master Gardeners are in Keyes Park in DuQuoin, Illinois. We're joined by Rhonda Schubert, University of Illinois Extension 4-H Program Coordinator, and members of the Perry County 4-H group. They are going to help us put coded tree identification tags on selected trees here in the park. This tagging project will allow community members and park visitors to easily identify the trees in the park. Further, the QR codes allow people to use their smartphones to link to more detailed information about the trees. Thank you for joining us. This tree tagging is a continuation of the Urban Tree Identification and Tree Health Program sponsored by the University of Illinois Extension.
The Perry County Master Gardeners here in Perry County are awesome at working with our 4-H youth on any project that we come up with. Here very soon they'll be doing archaeology with a group of kids. They've done horticulture and all kinds of natural resource activities. They are great help to our youth in Perry County.